Mushrooms aren't just something you can find at the grocery store. They grow in the wild too. And if you pay attention to the world around you, sometimes you can find some really interesting ones. It was one of the weirdest mushrooms I've ever seen. You can see it's not a single mushroom at all. It's an entire ring of mushrooms. There were dozens of them. This ring of mushrooms had popped up overnight. But now check this out. Here's a mushroom that looks really weird. You might think, oh, this one's gotta be poisonous. But guess what? This one is called a morel. And not only is it not poisonous, lots of people consider it to be one of the best tasting mushrooms in the world. 1 pound of these mushrooms sells for as much as $40 or $50. But even morel mushrooms aren't always easy to tell from poisonous ones. You see this one here? It looks like a morel, but it's not quite the same. It's what's called a false morel, or a brain mushroom.